Hi, I'm standing next to Mia here. She's going to install a Gibson exhaust system on her 2011 Camaro. Mia, why are you doing this?
Just wanted to.
For performance, for sound, both?
All the above.
Weight savings?
Sure.
We're going to try to find that out today, aren't we?
Right, yeah.
All right. What's the part number you have there for this Gibson kit?
Part number 320001.
320001. This is a dual rear axle-back exhaust system for 2010 to 2015 3.6 liter V6 engines. All right, we got the kit over here. We got on the scale. We've got some of what Mia's going to need. She's got two types of saws here, or cutting devices rather. She's got the 4.5-inch angle grinder outfitted with DeWalt cutting wheel, little Husky reciprocating pneumatic saw, some tape, a marker, tape measure, jack stands and a jack. All right, let's get a sample of what it sounds like today. Go ahead and rev it up. Take it up to about $5,000.
Looks like this weighs close to 35 pounds, the entire kit.
While Mia's busy measuring the cutoff point on each muffler, we're going to go over here and take a look at what comes in the kit. Okay, here's the kit. We've got two mufflers, got two stainless exhaust tips, high polish finish, and we have a couple of muffler clamps where it's going to connect to the old exhaust. Everything's coming right along. Hopefully we'll have some sound before you know it. Alright, we're just finishing up the last of the tape. I'll get the cutting wheel first. We see if we can get it started, and then we might switch to the reciprocating saw. Shouldn't say we, she's doing it. See you in a few. What step are you on right now, Mia?
This should have been step 1, actually.
And step 1 is to do what?
Remove the negative terminal from the battery.
Remove the negative terminal from the battery. Alright, so what Mia just did with the cutting wheel is she scored the pipe kind of where she got through into the center. Now she's going to take the reciprocating saw and just breeze through the end. So we'll let her get that hooked up. We'll get going again. Time's 2:09. So you can get started on the reciprocating saw part of this. Hopefully it's no more than a couple more minutes. start when it's bound, so you gotta pull it out of there. There you go. And start with it running when you go in. Drop this hand a little bit and then we'll cut faster. Dropping it.
Keep dropping it?
Yeah.
What?
You're at the end. Let's go. There you go. Time is 2:19. It took about 10 minutes. We forgot to turn the compressor back on. A few delays like that. But she's a novice. She'll get faster the next time she does this. One more to wiggle out of there.
Oh God, this is heavy.
That's why you're getting rid of it, right?
Sure. About 50. Stay heavy.
So the driver's side went on nice and easy, hung right on the bracket. This side, the hangers were just a little bit tight. So what she did is she slipped off the rubber hanger part and slid it on the muffler first. Now she's gonna try to hang it back on the car, and it goes up here. So hopefully in a moment we'll get this all lined up. The side is almost ready to bolt back together and put the tip on, and we'll hear it run soon.